why marketing is important for an architect or a designer, and why in institutes and colleges they don't teach us how to market. So, marketing and advertising or branding is different. Marketing, if you don't know, then most of the architects and designers struggle for business. And right now, in this corona time, most of the architects don't have much of a business because of a real estate market is so low and existing business is suffering. So, how can we get business even in this corona time? Or how can we serve our customer or client? We really need to learn how to market ourselves. And mind you, that marketing is not advertising or branding. Marketing is to reach to your target audience and then educate them about your expertise, about what you do, and what is your way of doing a particular project. If you are an architect, residential architect, you can teach your target audience what need to take care of while constructing a home. There are endless things which your customer should know. Most of the people in small categories of a small plot or a small size area, they don't hire architects. They think architects are expensive, or the job of an architect, a builder is doing a job of an architect who is illiterate, or who is not knowing what to design, how to design. And in India, if you see, most of the buildings are designed by no designer. They are not designed. And nobody is creating an awareness that why architect is important. Very few people. There are some people who are creating that awareness and they are getting huge business. Even in this corona time, architects and designers are getting business. Even few, I know, they have a waiting list of 6 months. Why? How this is possible? Because of marketing. See, you don't need to sell anything. You need to educate your customer about your expertise. And you need to reach enough people for the same. So, my request to all the architects and designers to please educate your customer, educate your target audience. What are the expertise you have? What kind of design you can create? What are the benefits to hire an architect? And find out what are their problems, what they deal with when they have to deal with the contractor, or when they have to deal with uneducated labor, what all they need to take care of. So don't wait that you get fee for that. It is the time to educate your target audience. Serve them before, serve them before they come to you and they see you first, and then they come to you. They read about how you design, what is your design principles, what is your expertise, why somebody come to you. So educate them to come to a professional architect or a designer. And what is the role of an architect? Why architect is important to build a building? Show them your projects, your case studies, and then they will come to you. So, my request is to please educate your target audience. This is marketing, it is not advertising. Don't sell, just educate, educate, and educate. Thank you. See you in my next video. This is Vineet Suri. I'm a coach. business coach and an author for architects and designers.